great for my shoes, but its speciality. Just forget it. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today's video is brought to you by Tredi. As you can see, that's the inside, and it's got all these bristles in it. Well, it's not bristles, they're soft. And it's for sports shoes to clean them. And I've just been in muddy water with my cousin Erin. I have these shoes all muddy, and we're going to see if they're clean with the special bag. And we're going to see how it works, if it cleans. Guys, this bag will be great for my shoes, but its speciality is mainly for football shoes and golf shoes, because it's got these soft things to protect your washing machine drum, and so it doesn't damage the shoes, but it will probably be great for my shoes. Just pop them in. Pop them in the washing machine. Okay, and close. Ooh, got it, guys! Let's take it out. Do you think it's clean then? I'm not sure. Let's see. Can we do a before and after? Okay.
You are doing that.
Oh, look!
Do you like new? Do you like new?
Bottom.
Look.
Bottom's not. We'll have to clean the bottom.
No, that's just wear. They've faded away. You got no grip. Trainers are actually like new.
Ooh.
Look at that. Wow.
Yep.
You turn the train around. What do you think? I think they look like brand new shoes.
Same. Let's do a before and after.
What do you give the product a rating out of?
1 minute. Guys, before and after. Look at it. Pretty good, hey?
What'd you give it out of 10?
A 9.25.
Okay, I'll give it a 10.
So guys, great bag, great quality, great price, and yeah, now it's time for me to go take my thumbnail. Bye!